I was not able to video Atelet while she was cleaning the squid, so I'll just tell you on how to clean it. Hold the body gently, pull out the head, intestines, ink sac, and clear skeleton. Discard innards. Set aside the ink sac as we will use it later. Then rinse squid body and tentacles before cooking. In a small pot, combine the squid with the ink, vinegar, salt, and pepper, and add water. Bring to boil and cook for about 2 minutes. Slice onion, garlic, and tomatoes. Heat oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Cook and stir the onion and garlic in the hot oil until softened, and add the tomatoes. Cook for about 5 minutes. Pour the squid mixture into the saucepan and bring to a simmer. Cook together for another 5 minutes. Produce ink as defense mechanism. You can add to food to create a rich flavor and deep black color. It does not stain teeth and it comes off easily with brushing. Bon appetit!